What's up guys, thanks for clicking on the video and welcome back to the channel. We're back out today at Chedington Forest Wilderness Camp. As you can see, Neil's had some guests last night stay in the forest. They stayed over on Friday night and I think they're staying over tonight as well on Saturday. Neil's asked me, Tommy and Sophie to come up to camp today to help him fell this massive tree over there in the background, which you can probably see the guys looking at. I will take you guys over there in a moment and give you all the details and hopefully record all of the tree felling today. So yeah, it's gonna be a good day guys. Just a quick video, nothing too much, just out for the day, enjoying ourselves. Gonna cook up some food and enjoy this big tree falling. Can't wait to see this. I don't think I've actually felled, yeah, it's the right word to use. I don't think I've actually felled a tree this big before, so be sure to stick around guys, it's gonna be a good day.
We ain't got far to go, but and you can tell he's totally dry by the sound of the soil. Yeah.
Is it a spruce?
Yeah, it's a spruce. Yeah. About 80.
It's a lot harder.
70 feet.
Okay guys, so as you can see over here, this spruce tree is absolutely massive. It's about 60 to 70 feet. And because of how big it is, we're all going to take it in turns to have a go on the saw. And then I think what Neil says is we're going to fell it in that direction, in between the opening in the trees, just so we don't hit any other live trees and stuff like that, obviously. But yeah, it is a big one, guys. Can't wait to see this one fall.
Closer to the heart.
You did do the harvest with the cut bit.
Don't make it.
Younger than me.
Right,
Yeah.
hang on, let me sit down. There we go.
So that's the benchmark. Yeah. We got a cut to that back, a line across there. Right, that's quite a lot of work. We've done that. But we start small. See how it's dry. I'll do well. We'll try and introduce the felling axe now, which is what this one is. Go down lower now, Sal.
Lower, yeah?
Where we're going now, creating that hollow there. Oh, come out, come out. A minute.
When it goes.
Go on, go on, go on.
So as you can see, this tree's got stuck up the top there. We're trying to free it now with the axe.
There we go. It's moving. Go on, keep going. Twisting there. No, not there.
Dicky, come out the way. Right, easy now. Attack from the back. Yeah? Attack that joint there. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. Timber! Timber! Well done, guys. Well done, mate.
Whew.
Okay. Nice and relaxed, yeah.
Guys, I'm not even kidding, man. This is harder than it looks. God damn.
Once you got the rhythm, you think, yeah, I've got it now, and then someone just
Yeah.
knocks it all off again.
Stuck.
It's not stuck, you've just got to pull it.
That one took it out. Yeah.
Right, we're taking this one.
I don't want to take this one. It's going to be heavy. I don't need to get the backs on.
Wait, take one.
Jesus! Whoa, no! What do you mean, no? See that? That was in my shoulder.
Oh, okay.
I had to take it off.
Now, if you had some sticks to roll it on, then each got the corner of the...
We need to get the axe. Is the axe still up here?
Yeah, it's everything's up here.
I need to take them limbs off because that's what dug in my shoulder, so I have to...
Did you record?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so...
Yeah.
Oh, I'm up.
Okay.
Hold on. slowly, come. Look at that.
Got a blooper.
Okay guys, so I've just come down now. Found this giant fallen spruce tree. It is massive. Just cracked open a Beavertown Session IPA. Everybody's back at Neil's fort now, just relaxing. Took us about an hour and a half, 2 hours to do all of that work. It took it out of everybody, but together as a team, we did it, guys. The tree was absolutely massive. It was about, Neil thinks about 60 foot, sorry, and yeah, it was huge. It was enjoyable, to be honest. I've never felled a tree that big before, as I said earlier. It's been a good day. We're not staying over tonight. Me, Tom and Sophie are driving back later this afternoon. We're going to cook up some lunch and get on the road. It's going to take us about 3 hours to drive back, so we're going to probably leave about 4 o'clock when it starts to go dark. Yeah guys, again, I would like to say a massive thank you to all of my subscribers, to all of the people that are clicking on the video and showing the support and showing the love, because we're about 25 subscribers away from 1,000, and without all of you lot, none of that would be possible. So again, thank you very much, man. I appreciate it, I promise you, and I mean that from the bottom of my heart. I'm not one of these guys that fakes love on a camera to try and get more subscribers. I honestly mean that, guys. I've got to know so many people through YouTube and Instagram. I mean, I met Neil through Bushcraft, not a forum, a Bushcraft group, Facebook type of thing. And yeah man, without the power of social media, none of this would be possible. Obviously I'd be doing Bushcraft still, but you know, I wouldn't be able to share it with all you guys, so again, thank you. Here's the channel, and here's to bigger things. We set a goal of 1,000 subscribers by the first year of being on YouTube, and I think it was probably about a month over that, so at least we still did it, guys. So this year I want to aim for, what's a good number for this year? 3,000 subscribers by the end of 2020. We're going to try and do it, guys. Amazing. This is my 3rd time at this forest, and even today, still coming here and having a walk around like I am now, and a little relax with a beer. It's got so much to give, this forest. There's so many different things here. It's amazing. Cheers guys. Rightio guys, I think I'm going to end the video there. Me, Tom and Sophie just down at the bottom of the forest, just messing about, looking for some fat wood. It's been a good day. Felling that tree was definitely an experience. What do you reckon, guys?
Hell yeah.
It was sick, man. Off your head, Tom. You got some fat wood?
Yeah.
Have you really?
Yeah.
Oh, no way. Tom's just saw some fat wood up.
Nice.
So yeah, I'll end that video here, guys. I'm going to pack my bag away. Probably hike back down to the car in about 10 minutes. It's going to go dark and we've got to drive back, obviously. So, until the next video, peace. Say bye to the people, guys.
Peace.
Peace. Peace.